I can only drink if I get in the pool. That's Chase's philosophy. And you're trying to be cool. You can go to the pool if you want. Someone's got the ball. Hey, Chase. You want the rock? There you go. Oh, and then you drop it. Goofy boy. I'm gonna stick you in here. Brittany, stop eating that. God, fresh leaves off the friggin' oak tree. So juicy and sweet, they make me puke. Let me have it. I gotta figure out. Hang on. It's really quite disgusting. You guys did put a hole in it. That's pretty impressive. Here you go. Get it. Gotta clean it off a little bit first, huh? It's like a boy. Did Scotty trap you? The delicate gypsy drink. Yeah. Here you go again. He's like, no, let me chew on it.